Live from Huntsville, Alabama, it's the third stop on the Ham Shack TV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. It's the Huntsville Hamfest. We're here getting ready to set up. In the following video, you are going to see the latest action from Huntsville. Stick around. Roll that intro.
Passing the key, passing the sword.
Either later when I get them.
I wouldn't skip you, Josh. You were talking here, and now you can have it.
Okay. There we go. Oh, he's getting serious. He took his hat.
Oh, this wire's in the way.
All right, what are we calling this?
The QLF.
The QLF. All right. Nice. Oh. That's so cool.
Ones that are easy to kind of get your bearing on.
Who makes this? This is cool.
It's just a USDA.
Oh, it's US. Okay, I see it.
Yeah, we use it because we're not afraid to blow it up.
Yeah.
Oh, we're losing our
Oh yeah.
I paid
the US.
Oh.
Yeah, it's basically a true SDX, but with a few more
Oh,
bands.
nice.
But it's in practice mode. It won't hurt the radio.
All right.
You are an
I like the paddle. Straight keys are hard for me.
Oh, and a mantis.
I'm completely unaffiliated. I know nothing. Well, I take it back. I know SOS. That's it.
Nope, I missed it. Yeah. Because with the straight key,
Someone says that.
I struggle with the pause, and then it messes it up.
Or the shake weight.
That's it. Somebody told me today I was
Oh, I think this is set to fast.
He did take the top half off of one and use it as a knob for this.
That's pretty cool.
talking to somebody earlier.